Have you ever wondered what the numbers boxing coaches call out mean? For example, they might say 163 or 1232. Well, in this video, I'm going to break down the punches 1 to 6, telling you how to throw them with perfect technique. Starting with number 1, that is the jab. Now, the jab is the most used and useful punch in boxing. It's used to set up other shots, other bigger, harder shots. So we get into our boxing stance, 60% of the weight on our back foot, 40% on the front foot. Good shape, chin down. All we're doing is moving our arm from this position here to this position here. I've turned over my knuckles, I've extended my arm, and I'm looking down the arm and kinked over my wrist like this. The jab has to be fast and has to be like a whip. So your arm has to be super relaxed. It starts at the shoulder. So your hand's like this, your shoulder initiates the movement like that. Your hand doesn't pull back before you throw it. So your shoulder initiates it, and then your arm comes out like this. So it looks like this. All I'm doing, starting with the shoulder, and the shoulder's just pushing my arm out like that. It's like a wave of energy going through my arm, straight out into the knuckles, which I'm turning over and kinking my wrist. I'm maintaining shape as I'm throwing it, keeping my hands high, keeping my elbow tucked in. A good tip for the jab is we keep our hand open until it lands on impact. Even then, you don't necessarily need to clench it up. The idea is to keep it nice and relaxed, and it needs to be fast so our opponent doesn't see it coming, and it helps us line up the other shots, like the right hand or the left hook. Number 2 is the cross. Now, the cross is a pretty hard punch to throw. There's a lot of mechanics involved, but I want you to focus on maintaining weight on your back foot. So remember, heel off the ground slightly, keeping that weight back throughout the duration of it. We're rotating our hips from this position here, the neutral position, to this position here, which is the rotated position. From here to here, our arm doesn't move. It stays like this, but it stays relaxed, cocked and ready to fire. So we rotate to here. As we get to here, we let our arm just spring out like this, right? Best way to learn this is keep your upper arm still and just let your arm drop like that under gravity. This motion here is the exact same motion as when you throw it. You notice my head isn't coming forward. I'm not transferring the weight onto the front foot. You can tell this by the fact I'm not straightening my back leg. My back knee is at the same angle at the start of the punch till the end of the punch. Stays here, it just rotates around like this.